Okay, this is part 2 of the tutorial. When we left off, we just created the combination of our merged fish and lemon picture, as we can see in front of us. The next part of it is to create the sound effect that we can see on our screen now. I'm going to run you through the stage so you can create this effect. As you can see, our canvas is quite small. We haven't got enough room to work with to create that sound effect. Now there's various ways that you can do this, but I want to keep a saved copy of just the fish. I want to have that as a backup. So what I need to do is compress Control N to create a new document. Now because I want it to be quite a large image, I need to increase the size of my canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a 50cm by 50cm canvas. If I click on OK, you'll notice that we've got our canvas in front of us, but it's worth noting just here, these percentages. This percentages is the zoom, it's how close we're looking at the image. Because our canvas is very large, Photoshop automatically makes it so we can view all the canvas in front of us. So, how to import the fish to this new canvas? The way we're going to do it today is new layer. If I click and hold this tab and pull it away, you notice that it's come away, it's gone, it's minimized it. This allows me to work with images with the canvases behind it. If I click on the fish image, select the layer, click and hold it. If I drag it over and drop it into the new canvas, we see I've got our fish there. Okay, we click, drop that back. I'm using the selection to the top that allows me to move around the fish. Okay, now what I need to do first things first is to organise my background. In order to organise the background, I need to put in that sound effect. So using the square tool, as you get the rectangle tool, if I right click on it, you can see I've got all different options. I want my rectangle tool, so I select that, click on this colour. This gives me all the colour options I've got within within Photoshop. I want to start off with a red background, so if I click and drag it up to the top, I'll just click anywhere within that area. You can see it's selecting different colours for me. I want a nice deep red. Okay. Top right hand corner, top left hand corner. Drag it out to roughly halfway. You can see on the top I've got a ruler which allows me to do exact measurements. My canvas is 50 by 50, so I need to line it up 25 by 25. That's let me know that's perfect size. Okay, you notice the fish has disappeared, but that's just because of the layer order. At the minute, the red rectangle is at the very top, so anything behind it would disappear obviously. Okay, now I need to do another square. We click on the blue one, same as before, click, hold and drag it, let go. You'll notice that the colour is stayed red. Now another way that we can change the colour is if I hover over the layer thumbnail and double click on it, it lets you select a different colour. So I'm going to do blue. Okay, it's now changed the colour to blue. I'm going to do the one more square. Again, double click, change the colour. I'm going to have yellow lime colour this time. Okay, that's my background set up. Now it's time to put the fish in place. First things first, click and hold on the fish layer and just drag it up to the very top and let go. You notice now become visible in front of the layer because it's at the very top. Okay. Now if I click and hold on the fish layer and drag it down to the new layer button, you'll notice that it's got fish coffee. If I select the selection tool, I can move this fish around. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place it underneath. Now you're noticing this, they've all got different effects on them. That's what Photoshop's very good for. It's got a lot of different options, what we call filters, that let you play around with images. So with this fish selected as shown here, I go to filter. Now all these are all different things that we can use to play about with that image. What I'm going to do now is not going to be exactly the same to the example because I want to show you a few different things that we can do. So I'm going to select neon glow. Now you'll notice that we've got all different things that we can do to the image. I'm going to select watercolour. Around here, these are different options for that filter. I'm going to select I quite like that. Okay, you notice the fish changed. Okay, again click on the original fish that we've not altered, drag it down to new layer, move it across. Now we need to make it turn round, we need to make it face the other way. We can do this by pressing Ctrl T, clicking, dragging it over, and it'll face the other way. I'm just going to make sure these sorts of sides up together because this is only a rough example. Okay, perfect. I'm going to move it. If I want to make small adjustments to the arrangement, I can use the arrow keys. Happy with that, enter. Again, filter. This time I'm going to use sketch and Chrome. Now you see we've got all different options I can use. Now again, selecting the unaltered one, copy it, Ctrl C, rough size, I'm happy with that, position. Now filter, distort, and I'm going to make it look like glass. Now you see here, there's all different ways that I can do it. Blocks, canvas, frosted, tiny lenses, scaling. These are all just different options. This is what Photoshop's all about. It's about playing around with all different things and just learning like that basically. I'm going to do diffuse glow. I quite like that one. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to save that. I go to File, Save As, and select whatever you want. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial.